Healthy hair is fed on nutrition that most of us forget to include in our daily diet. The right meal can give you a healthy and long hair on a long-term basis. Hence, it is necessary to include certain food items in your diet which can boost the health of your hair and make it look shiny and attractive. Hence, in this video, we are listing some of the best foods items which anyone can eat to promote hair growth. Food number 1. Eggs. Biotin is a hair supplement that supports hair growth. An egg is the natural source of biotin, which stimulates the production of the hair protein keratin. Eggs are also rich in protein, zinc, and selenium, which are another important ingredient for healthy hair. Food number 2. Spinach. A deficiency of minerals can cause hair loss. Including spinach in your diet can balance the level of minerals in folate, iron, vitamin A and vitamin C, which promote hair growth. Spinach is also a natural hair conditioner as it contains sebum. Furthermore, omega-3 acids in spinach can help keep hair healthy and shiny. Food number 3. Oysters. Oyster is a good source of zinc which helps in repairing damaged hair. Including oysters in your diet is highly recommended for overall well-being, as they are low in fat, low in calories, and holds a good amount of proteins. Food number 4. Avocados. Vitamin E is an important ingredient of hair oil. Avocados are a rich source of vitamin E, therefore including that in your diet can give you strong and healthy hair. Furthermore, avocado oil helps rejuvenate and moisturize the scalp. A rich source of proteins, amino acids and vitamins in avocado help soothe the scalp and promotes long, strong, healthy hair growth. Food number 5. Soybeans. Soybean is a great source of iron and spermidine. Many women who suffer from iron deficiency can consume soybeans on a regular basis to wipe out such deficiency issues. Apart from that, soybeans also help in improving metabolism, protect heart health, and gaining healthy weight. Food number 6. Salmon. Including salmon in your diet can reduce hair fall and boost hair growth as it is a rich source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. The vitamin D3 and protein in salmon are good to add shine to the hair.